would like to acknowledge the Djirbal people as the traditional owners and custodians of the land on which we performed our field and lab work, and we pay our respect to elders past, present, and emerging. Bryophytes. What are they? More commonly known as mosses and allied plants, these tiny plants are easy to overlook.
They include mosses, which tend to have spiky leaves and a midvein, and liverworts, which often grow flat against their substrate and lack a midvein.
However, despite their small size, bryophytes play key roles in the ecosystems they're a part of.
Bryophytes are very underappreciated components of the rainforest ecosystem. They assist with nutrient cycling, regulate soil temperature and moisture, and provide habitats for invertebrates and microorganisms such as this tardigrade or water bear found in one of our samples. However, there is still much to learn about bryophytes in the wet tropics, especially in specific forest types like Mabi forest. While flowering plants are well documented in Mabi forest, the hidden diversity of bryophytes has gone unnoticed. Part of the reason bryophytes in Mabi forest are under-researched is the endangered nature of the ecosystem. After decades of logging and clearing for agriculture, only 4% of Mabi forest's range still exists, and what's left is highly fragmented. To help preserve and restore Mabi forest, it's important to understand all of the species that live there, including bryophytes. And that's where we come in. By conducting a comprehensive survey of the bryophytes at Hallorans Hill Conservation Park, a preserved area of Mabi forest located right next door in Atherton, we hope to provide valuable species data to assist with the conservation of this unique ecosystem.
Here's how our survey works. We trek through Hallorans Hill, collecting bryophytes from basically everywhere we look, at every habitat. Bryophytes inhabit, including rocks, logs, twigs, tree trunks, sticks, soil, and even individual leaves. We collect each new bryophyte we find until we can't find any that appear different. And over the course of several full days, we are able to comprehensively sample the bryophytes of Hallorans Hill. Once we have collected our samples, it's time to identify them and photograph them. We compiled about 250 collections from our own survey and a few informal collections in the past. And so far, we have found 95 unique bryophyte species. After identification, we will be uploading each species to an online database called iNaturalist. This is a publicly available citizen scientist database, so our uploads can be seen by anyone, and you could be included too.
In fact, anyone can create new uploads, so if you see a cool moss, don't be afraid to make an account and help us learn more about the bryophytes in this area. Many of the species we uploaded previously had no photos at all on iNaturalist, so we're filling a valuable gap in data.
All in all, our survey contributed important information about what species live in Mabi forest ecosystems.
We hope that this data can one day help with restoration efforts to save this endangered ecosystem, and it certainly demonstrates the area's biodiversity, or should we say, bryodiversity, giving us all the more reason to protect it.
Thank you so much for watching our video. We hope you leave with a newfound appreciation for the hidden world of bryophytes and can explore the many bryophytes that live right here in the wet tropics.